Hello guys, I welcome you all in this lecture series of class 9 mathematics. Today we are heading towards lecture 4 of chapter number 1, that is number system. Okay, today we are discussing the topic of irrational number. Okay, so we have already discussed this topic earlier in my introduction part. So I'm just again and again saying go to that video and watch the lectures. That lecture will give you the whole information about numbers. Okay, so now we will again discuss this topic as this is a part of our chapter. So let's begin. So first of all, now we are going to discuss what is rational number. Okay, we are revising this. So rational numbers are in the form of p upon q, and the condition behind that is q is not equal to zero. Okay, rational numbers क्या होते हैं? Rational numbers p upon q के फॉर्मूला होते हैं और उनकी कंडीशन होती है q is not equal to zero. और जो p upon q होता है वो इंटीजर्स नहीं होते. ठीक है, अगर हम इस फ्रैक्शंस को इवेल्युएट करेंगे तो वी विल गेट द नेचुरल नंबर as a result, and whole number as a result, and integer as a result. And now I want to ask you that we will get the non-terminating term or the terminating terms. Okay, so we have discussed earlier also that in rational numbers we are getting the terminating terms. Okay, so now moving towards the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are opposites of rational numbers. Okay, so irrational numbers are not represented in the form of p upon q, where q is not equal to 0, like root 2, root 3, root 15 and pi. So what I am going to tell you in this that this is a example root 2. If we evaluate this answer, that we will get 1.414 and so on, and it will never terminate. Okay, so this is the best example and a popular example for the irrational number. So pi is also the best example, and root 15 and root 3 and root 2. So moving towards what is the under root here. Under root represent the positive square root of the number. Okay, now suppose if we take the example root 4. Okay, if we evaluate this result question and we get the result plus minus 2, that is that we will get the two answers, plus 2 and minus 2. Okay, so this is an extraordinary information that I want to convey. So moving towards the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are actually non-terminating numbers when evaluated. Okay, so ये non-terminating होते हैं. इनका कोई भी जो फ्रैक्शन होता है जैसे p अपॉन q है, तो वो p जो होता है वो q से होल डिवाइड नहीं हो पाता. तो ये चलते ही रहता है, इसके डिवीजन चलते रहते हैं और इसके क्वेश्चन हमेशा बढ़ते रहते हैं. ओके, so now, so every real number is represented by a unique point on the number line. Also, every point on the point of number line represent a unique real number. Okay, तो इसमें ये कहना चाह रहा है कि जैसे रियल नंबर्स क्या होते हैं, इट इज एक्चुअली द कॉम्बिनेशंस ऑफ इरेशनल एंड रैशनल नंबर. ओके, और हमें ये भी पता है कि रैशनल नंबर्स इनफाइनाइट होते हैं एंड सेम एज इरेशनल भी इनफाइनाइट्स होते हैं. ओके, सो जो भी पॉइंट अगर नंबर लाइन में हम लोग पॉइंट करेंगे तो वो एक यूनिक रियल नंबर होगा, क्योंकि इट कवर्स एवरीथिंग. रैशनल नंबर, होल नंबर, इंटीजर्स. ओके, रियल नंबर्स कवर्स एवरीथिंग. सो दिस इज अ रियल number 9. Okay, so we represent this as a real number 9. Okay, so in next part we will going to discuss the example numbers 3 and 4. So please stick to that channel and like, share and subscribe. Thank you.